Hi.
Hi, are you sure this course is just for 2499?
Yes, and you know this is the only course with this expertise across the world.
No way!
Yes, way. Don't delay. Enroll now.
Geeks learning together.
Hi.
Hi, are you sure you can prepare for product based companies through this course?
Yes, sitting at home?
No way!
Yes, way. Don't delay. Enroll now.
Geeks learning.
Hello, guys, and welcome back to this amazing channel, Geeks for Geeks. This is Abhinav, and today we are again with the new problem of the day, which is absolute difference divisible by k. So, first of all, please let me know if I'm clearly audible and visible to you all so that we can continue with our particular session. Okay, just please write a one if I'm clearly audible and visible to you all, and then we will discuss the problem, which is absolute difference divisible by k. The problem is not that much tough. It's a easy problem. As you can see the difficulty tag in the chat box too, that it's a easy problem. So we will not take much time. Let's start with the problem. Okay, great. Thanks for confirming. Uh, Hopefully I'm clearly audible now too. Okay, yeah. Please just change my. Yeah. Okay, great. So guys, the problem is, hey Rohin, hey Rishit, hey Varun. The problem is absolute difference divisible by k. So we are given an array of size n and an integer k, and we have to find all the pairs in the array whose absolute difference is divisible by k. Whose absolute difference is divisible by k. Okay, like the difference of that pair should be divisible by k. Okay, so that's the problem. Fine. So let's take an example. Like the example which is given to you is it's quite different. Let's take a different example. Yeah, the let's take that the number which is given to you is okay. It's 3. It's 3, 8. Okay, 7, 2, 1, 5. Let's say these are the numbers. Okay, which are given to you. Okay, so let's take one more. 11. Okay, now and the value of k is 4. Means you have to find such pair whose difference is divisible by 4. Now, guys, if the difference is divisible by 4, that means the difference should be a multiple of 4. Getting? So I'm saying that let's say there's a number A and there's a number B. If their difference is divisible by 4, the difference should be divisible by 4. Means this K. So means A minus B should be divisible by K. So that does it mean, can I also write it like this? According to the modulo, can I also do it like this? This is problem of the day, crazy boy. This okay. This is problem of the day based on Hasse. Okay, and if I will write, I can write it like this. We can write it basically like this. Means A mod k should be equal to B mod k. So if we want that a difference of two numbers is divisible by k, that means the mod of both the numbers with k should be equal. What we will do, we will take different groups like numbers with mod 0, numbers with mod 1, numbers with mod 2. Because for a number k, there can be mods in the range from 0 to k minus 1. Okay? So we will have different groups of numbers. Is this topic clear? Means is this thing clear that a mod k should be equal to b mod k? So that the difference is divisible by k. Okay, that's the basic funda behind this problem. Okay. Now if you will see here, okay, now if you will see here, as I told you that we have to find uh, a mod, we have to find modulus k. Okay, uh, so for what we will do that for a given array, for every number we will find its modulus with k. So our k is 4. So for every number find mod 4. So like it is like ARR modulus k. So it's like 3 mod 4 is 3, 8 mod 4 is 0, 7 mod 4 is 3, 2 mod 4 is 2, 1 mod 4 is 1, 5 mod 4 is 1, 11 mod 4 is 3. So these are the numbers that we have. Okay. Now, as I told you, that for a given number k, its range of mod will range between 0 to k minus 1. It will range between 0 to k minus 1. Yeah, please ask your doubt. You can directly write your doubt, okay? Are in clear? Okay. That's the thing. Fine. Now, guys, now what we can have? As I told you that we will have numbers with same mod, with the same basically mod value. So numbers with same mod value will be taken in a separate group. So let's say if I talk about numbers with mod 0, there is only one number which is 8. If I talk about numbers with mod 1, so there is number 1 comma 5. Numbers with mod 2 is only 1, and numbers with mod 3 are 3 numbers 3, 7, and 11. You can ask your doubt. Those who have doubt, please ask. Okay, don't wait for someone. Don't wait for anyone. Okay. Now, guys, now if you will see here, this is the case. Okay. Now, what we will do here? Okay, what will we will do here now? So what we will do now here is that it's 8, 1, 5, 2, 3, 7, 1. So they are different groups. Now, as I told you that in a pair, each pair, both the numbers should be from same group because we want their difference to be divisible by k. So from each group, we will take pair of 2. So we will find how many different pairs of 2 are possible from each group. So here in this group, we have one number. Here we have two numbers. Here we have one number. Here we have three numbers. So it's 1C2, 2C2, 1C2, and 3C2. This will be your answer. 1C2, 2C2, 1C2, and 3C2. Because means if we have n numbers, we have to make pairs of 2. So number of ways are nC2. So 1C2 will be 0, and it's also 0. 2C2 is 1, and 3C2 is 2. So basically there are 3 pairs possible. There are 3 pairs possible. And the pairs are, I'm writing the answer here. 1, 5, 3, 7, 3, 11. Sorry, here it will be 3, I think. 3C2 will be 3. Okay, so total there will be 4. Okay, total there will be 4 exactly. So and 7, 11 like that. What if A is equal to 1, B is equal to K is equal to 3? Then A mod, then 1 plus 1 mod by 3. It's difference now. You can see it's saying absolute difference. It's not sum. Rishit, I think you are confused. It is saying absolute difference, not the sum. So A minus A should be divisible by K, not A plus A. A minus A. 1 minus 1 is 0, obviously. It is divisible by 3. Okay, that's the thing. Hopefully it should be clear. So let's implement it. It will not take much to implement. Okay, so what we will do, we will simply take a map of, let's see, so here it is int comma int, and the answer should be in I think long, because the numbers will be somehow large. So long answer, initially it will be 0, and this will be also, I think it's fine, MP. Hello Nekaj, hello. So we will have the loop okay, and for every number, as I told you, you have to find its mod with k, and we will store that in the array itself. Yeah, because the problem is easy today. Okay, don't worry. The problem is easy, and you will get it. First, see the code, then I will have a summary again. Okay. Otherwise, you can refer to the recording also. Don't worry. Okay. Because it's been 10 minutes now. Yeah. So great. So first, let's write the code, and then I will have a quick revision again. Okay. Great. After that, this was the thing. Okay, we have found the mod k here. Now, as I told you, that for each value we have to find. So like as I told you, that mod is between 0 to k, less than k, means from, as I told you, that mod value ranges from 0 to k minus 1. You can see it is written here. It's 0 to k minus 1. Okay. So because it's 0 to k minus 1, we have to start from 0 to k. And what we will do, we will add answer plus is equal to NC2. And basically, guys, NC2, what is NC2? If I will break the formula of NC2, it is nothing but n into n minus 1 divided by 2. That's what it is. So we'll simply have the value of it, like we will have int x, that's the value of, okay, we have missed one thing. That we have to also have that value. Yeah, means you have to also count now that how much that numbers are present. Means how many numbers are those who has mod k0? How many numbers are there? Who, yeah, exactly, frequency 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that is what we are doing here. And then for each frequency, we will have x into x minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, and then I think we can return the answer. Hopefully it should be right. Let's see. It should be right. Yeah, it's run fine for the given test case. Let's run it for all the test cases. Yeah, we got the right answer. We can also do it in one iteration. Okay, sir, one iteration. Yeah, means that is something that, so it is in one iteration only, sir. Like it's from 0 to n. This is the single iteration, like first taken the mod, and then after that, just the frequency, a single iteration is there. And after that, this one is just for to calculate for different, no? For different, like for 0 to k minus 1. So let's do it, guys. So let's have a quick revision for those who have joined late. Like first of all, we have our array. Okay, and after that, we have taken that array into ARR of k. The reason being, as I told you, if we want absolute difference to be divisible by k, if we want this, if I will expand it, it will become like this. Somehow like this, means it will be a whole bracket k also. So it will be like this if I will extend it. Means a mod k should be equal to b mod k. Means both the numbers in the pair that we will have, that will be a comma b, both the numbers in that pair should be from the same group. Means should have the mod k value same. So what we will do, and we will find mod k value for all the digits. Okay, and then we will have different sets. I mean, for mod 0, for mod 1, for mod 2, for mod 3, like that. We will have different digits. Okay, and after that, what we will have? After that, we will be simply having the other things like this NC2. Like let's say if we have 5 numbers in a set, so out of the five numbers, how many possible pairs are present? Okay, is it clear? So that is what we are doing. If we talk about the time and space complexity, so space complexity is order of n, and time complexity is order of n. Okay, so time complexity is order of n, and space complexity is also order of n. Means we can say time complexity as maximum of n comma k or n plus k, because we have two loops, n or k. But I think n and k will be somehow same. So if you will see here also, it's like n plus k. So you can call it like n plus k. And yeah, also space can be written as n order of k only. The reason being key in space, we will have the values from 0 to k minus 1 only, and it will be order of n plus k. Okay, so yeah, if you will do go more precise, so it will be like n plus k and k. By the way, both are linear, so both are linear time complexity. It will not be a very big case. Okay, yeah. So that was the case, guys. That was the problem. The problem was easy today. Means it was not that much stuff like we have the usual problems in nowadays in problem day. So that was it, guys. So okay, thank you very much for joining today's live. I hope that the problem is now clear to everyone out there, and we will be back with the next problem of the day. So keep solving this problem of the day, and guys, currently resolution series is also going on. So you can also check it out with amazing discount on courses. So check out the Solves practice for it. So thank you guys. Thank you very much for today's session. I hope it was yeah, thanks, is it? But there's a formula. Yeah, I mean that formula is that NC2 is considered. Na, I don't think that if you are thinking of anything else. By the way, Naked, whatever approach you are thinking of, that can be right. But the approach that I have implemented is, I think, one of the right one. Means which formula? Which formula you are talking about, Naked? First of all, I think you have joined late, so you just missed something, because I have taken everything in the solution. If you will see the recording, okay. For the last 15 minutes, I've taken everything. By the way, let's take it again. Okay, no worries. If you're are you talking about this formula? This one? At least please respond. If yeah, so this is obviously very normal. Yeah, I mean, this is nothing. I am saying that if we have n numbers with mod value of, let's say, 1, so how many pairs are possible with that n numbers? So pairs possible with n numbers are nc2, which is n into n minus 1 by 2. That's all. That's all. Simple. That is why it's x into x minus 1 by 2. I think you have missed that thing because you joined late. Because I have explained it. Okay, my uh, it was not visible, so it was like this. Okay, like if you have n numbers with value is equal to 1, so that means if you have to find a pair out of it, like two numbers out of n numbers, how many number of ways are there? So we will find combinators like nc2 ways are there, and if we will break nc2, it comes out to be n into n minus 1 by 2. Obviously, that should be I hope clear. Okay, and then it can be easily implemented here. That is what I have done. Means let's say we have a values with mod 0, we have b values with mod 1, c values with mod 2. Okay, so like we have a minus. Yeah, you can safely access the recording also, but yeah, means it's fine that in the live also you should get a clear understanding. Okay, yeah. So for those who have joined from start, like it's just simple the combinators thing and the things. Okay, so that's all that we're doing the simple algorithm. Okay. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for joining today's live. I hope that this was clear to everyone. Keep solving problem of the day. I hope, and all the best for happy coding, and have a nice day for tomorrow. Good night. GFG कर लो हो जाएगा.